Let's make Barbie more sporty, treat her to some new accessories, and get her some new plumbing. Turn a car into an organizer and turn an old teddy bear into a backpack. Watch simple and fun life hacks for toys in our new video. Jessica and the blue-eyed girl decided to have a competition. Who can find the best use for old clutter around the house? The first round is all about gloves and mittens. While the blue-eyed girl is fiddling with fabric, Jessica is sketching out a modern design. Cut the tip off of the thumb of an old mitten and cut through the top seam. Also cut along the side, hem the edge. Put the mitten onto Barbie. Turn the collar. Her old mitten turns into a sweater tunic for Barbie. It's an extra modern look with one arm bare. A bold move for a fashionable doll. And the blue-eyed girl has come up with a stylish workout look. She's making great use of her old gloves. Cut thick fabric gloves. On the first glove, trim the top of the thumb and the index and middle fingers. Cut off the ring finger and pinky completely. Cut the middle finger off of the second glove. Trim the tops of the fingers around it and cut the glove lengthwise. Turn the sides of the first glove inside and sew. Put the pants onto Barbie. The second glove turns into a stylish top with a belt. This extra shapely outfit will keep her in shape. Barbie's just missing one item that'll complete her fitness regimen. Jessica is the #1 provider of sports goods for dolls. Cut a workout mat for Barbie out of thin foam rubber for soundproofing. Roll it up and tie it with a cord. Now Barbie has a workout mat. She can start her exercises at home. Let's pump up our biceps with toy dumbbells. Put some beads onto a toothpick. Use pliers to trim the excess. Color the weights with acrylic paint. Barbie loves working out. That's the secret of her amazing figure. And Jessica's doll loves doing cardio. No wonder she has a personal jump rope. Make a jump rope for your doll out of a cord. Attach handles made out of light clay onto the ends. The girls have organized a real workout session for their dolls. Let's train as many plastic muscles as we can. Barbie dolls also lead healthy lifestyles. The girls take Tic Tacs and a piece of felt out of the box. Yeah, not a very good haul. They have some candies to activate their brain power. Now, they're full of ideas. Let's get to work. Take the label off of a Tic Tac box and cover it with acrylic paint. Cut 2 little belts out of a brown soft foam rubber sheet and glue them onto a rectangular piece of soft pink foam sheet. Decorate the belts with a permanent marker. Attach the foam rubber sheet onto the box to be the top of a backpack. Attach Velcro so it will close. Cut 2 long strips out of a soft foam sheet to be straps and glue them to the backpack. Jessica invented a stylish backpack. And the blue-eyed girl sewed a soft pineapple purse. It'll put Barbie in a fruity mood. Mark a circle on a piece of yellow felt. Draw a cell and cut it out. Use a hole puncher to make openings along the hole outline. Cut pineapple leaves out of green felt and glue them between the openings. Work a cord through and tie the purse shut. The dolls are so happy about their accessories. Even a doll skateboard will fit into this stylish backpack from the Tic Tac collection. Let's ride! This bright bag and backpack will make these Barbies the queens of street style. The girls are having a day dedicated to beauty. Why not treat their doll to a session at a hair salon? Jessica has an upgraded Barbie in her hands, though the doll was broken not long ago. Barbie lost her head, has messy hair, and looks bad. Let's fix it up! Soak the doll's tangled hair in fabric softener for 4 to 5 hours. Use a hairbrush to comb out the knots. Afterwards, wash out the softener with water and blow dry the hair. Separate a few strands of hair and color them with markers. Brush the hair and blow dry it to set the color. Put the wire into the broken neck, hooking the fastening from the inside. Pull up the wire. Thread a button of the appropriate size. Pull it up again and cut off the excess wire. Put on the head. Barbie got her hair blown out and colored, and she looks amazing! Barbie doesn't have her own room, but she has an empty shelf all to herself. How should she decorate it? Here's an idea. For starters, let's personalize her shelf. Glue wooden coffee stirrers together on perpendicular sticks. Use Elmer's glue. Make 3 of these pieces and glue them with their edges overlapping to make a long wall. Let's make 3 of these walls and 2 more small pieces for the base and lid. Trim the walls on one side. Coat all these pieces with pink acrylic paint. Hot glue them together to make a little wardrobe. Bend paper clips to make clothing hangers. Put a plastic stick into the closet. Hang up the hangers. Cover a rectangular piece of compressed cardboard with turquoise acrylic paint. Then coat it with clear polish. Glue 2 plastic sticks to it and fasten the little table to the wall of the closet. Mark the size of a pendant base on silvery cardboard. Use toothpaste. Cut out the oval and insert it into the pendant. Glue the mirror above the desk. Cut off part of a cardboard tube. Cover it with acrylic paint. Make a little cushion out of shiny felt and synthetic stuffing, and glue it onto the tube. Place the puffy chair by the desk. The most important part of every girl's room is her wardrobe and vanity table. Barbie's no exception. All we have to do now is hang up all her clothes on the mini hangers. And decorate Barbie with a whole assortment of accessories. Check out this necklace and these earrings from a new rose collection. Trim off part of a metal jewelry base. Bend it into a necklace shape. Bend one end and put on little beads of different colors. Put a rose in the center. Bend the other end. Trim off part of the end of an earring base and glue on decorative roses. Our Barbie is practically glowing with joy. She has a whole closet to herself and new jewelry. It's every doll's dream come true. Christy keeps adjusting Barbie's house. What does she need this railing for? She finds the answer quickly. Even dolls need some plumbing privacy. Cut the form of a doll toilet lid and seat out of thin styrofoam using a curved tool to get the shape. Glue the seat and lid together with a white Band-Aid. Cover a small top piece with gold paint. Glue it to the base of a small rectangular bottle. This will be the tank. Glue the seat and lid to an empty yogurt cup. Put the 2 pieces of the doll toilet together and place the finished toilet into the doll's bathroom. Now everything is according to sanitary hygienic standards. Barbie's dream apartment is move-in ready. While Jessica is busy drawing, Christy is coming up with another idea for Barbie. Why not make an easel for her? Put an easel tripod together out of wooden coffee stirrers. Hot glue the pieces together. Glue on a perpendicular stand for the canvas. Attach another leg for support to the back, and one more stick to make sure the construction is secure. Glue on a piece of compressed cardboard. Use thumbtacks to attach paper to it. Jessica displays her finished poster on Barbie's easel. We're ready to open a whole art school for dolls. Let's put the easel in Barbie's room. Now she can create art whenever she wants. Christy likes more masculine toys. Legos, robots, cars. The whole room is covered in her stuff. What a mess! Her friends will help her tidy up. There's so much unnecessary junk in here. Like this old teddy bear. It's way past time for him to retire. But Christy won't let anyone be mean to her bear. After all, he's her backpack now. Take the soft stuffing out of an old toy. Sew 2 ribbon straps to the pocket. Attach ribbons with plastic loops to the lower part of the toy. Put the backpack straps through the adjuster loops and sew the ends of the ribbons. Even an old toy can still come in handy. Christy brought a construction set in her bear backpack. Jessica really likes this teddy bear bag. She'll take this cute new accessory for herself. It turns out that Christy isn't playing with Lego just for fun. She put together a handy-dandy stand for her phone. Make a phone holder out of Lego pieces. Put your phone into the stand. This is a real Lego base. The phone is perfectly stable, and Christy earns the title of Best Young Engineer. We've got a new assignment. Come up with an inventive way to use a toy car. Cut organizer dividers along the lines of a plastic template. Place them into the grooves of the bed of a toy truck. Fill it with useful trinkets. Christy finds a solution quickly. She makes a movable organizer out of things she just found laying around. Put whatever you need inside, and you're off to the races! Jessica and the blue-eyed girl can't find anything useful in this box. What could we even make out of puzzles and plastic figurines? That's a complicated task. But if you change your point of view, the girls just swap materials and come up with new projects right away. Hot glue 2 suction cups onto a tongue depressor. And glue soft puzzle pieces on the other side. Hang jewelry onto the puzzle pieces. Let's hurry to the mirror and try out our new device. The blue-eyed girl's organizer attaches easily to the mirror, and all her accessories find their place. How practical and useful! Jessica's invention is just as useful and practical. It's a tube squeezer. Glue some board game player pieces together. Leave a narrow opening for the tube in the middle. Decorate it with glittery nail polish and attach a label. Place a tube in the center, and not a single drop of makeup will have to go in the trash. And you can use this device as a makeup holder. What a great invention! 2 in 1! Did you like our doll life hacks? Then write in the comments which idea you'll use to play with. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new life hacks for old toys on Troom Troom.